how to change theme Google Chrome. Want to customize the look of Google Chrome? Let's change the theme step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of your Google Chrome. And then from here, go ahead and select settings. Now once you're on the settings, go ahead and look for appearance in the left sidebar. Click on it, and then from here you should find theme. So click on theme, and this should pop at the right side of your screen. Now in here you can go ahead and select a different theme color for your Google Chrome browser for this specific profile. So you can set this to light, dark, or base on the device. So go ahead and select your preferred color. You can also select a custom color. So simply drag this to the left or to the right depending on your preference, and you should find the color of your preference. And that is how to change theme Google Chrome.